Good morning, guys. This little dude's trying to figure out how to get to his favorite toy. Come on. Can you climb? He's like, I want to really bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Josh Tippis Vlogs.
I think we might have found his favorite toy ever. Someone's tired. Or not. We've been literally going for about 45 minutes. I've gotten him to pan a couple times, but he ain't done yet. Alright, guys. So, it is the end of the night already. Let's see. There is actually a valid reason why I didn't have my camera out. I was with a girl. I was hanging out with her, and it might become something, so I didn't want to make her uncomfortable the first time we actually hung out. What did we do? We went to we went to Jersey Boys. In theaters, not the actual Broadway show, but we went to Jersey Boys, the movie, and it was really good, actually. I really enjoyed it. There was one part that completely took me by surprise and almost made her cry, actually. But anyways, Jersey Boys was really good. Then we went to Graeter's Ice Cream because we couldn't find Yogurt. Yogurt's her favorite frozen yogurt ice cream or whatever. So we did all that, and we just talked for like 3.5 hours, and it was really nice to get to know her and everything. I actually met her. I don't know why I just pointed the camera down. I actually met her on set of Monday's shoot, which is really interesting. So that's really cool. But next time we hang out, I will have you guys out to let you meet her. But today's inspirational quote, it's going to be a duo, because both of the quotes that I have kind of coincide with each other. One comes from Ruth Gordon, and she says, "Courage is like a muscle. We strengthen it by use." And then the second one, excuse me, is by Nora Roberts. And she says, "If you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. If you don't step forward, you're always in the same place." And in order to do that, that takes courage. And you'll build the courage up by doing it more. So you see how that kind of coincides, right? You guys are smart. Okay, so that just about does it. Thank you guys for being so understanding about not having much footage today. But there will be more footage tomorrow because I am not going to the Kentucky Speedway, unfortunately. But I'm going to be going back on set to where I was on Monday. So I will get a little bit more footage for that. If you guys liked the video, thumbs it up. If you guys haven't or you are new, hit that little subscribe button so you can come back and see what it's like to be on a professional shoot tomorrow. But as always, thank you so much for watching these videos. Love you guys, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, Girl Scout.